Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this Amazon Basics travel duffel bag. I really like it because it really weighs less than a pound, and now with the airlines being super strict about how much weight you can bring in the suitcases, this is super convenient. It's very well made. I've had so many different trips, so many different flights with this duffel bag, and I haven't had any issues with it. It doesn't show any signs of wear or tear, any type of scratches. The same goes for all the little details, like for example, the zippers are very strong, so your stuff is always secure. And the same for the shoulder straps, so it's very easy to carry your duffel bag with it. As you can see here, I'm about 5'10", 5'11", so you can have an idea of how big the duffel bag is. So if you're looking for a duffel bag for traveling, I really recommend this one. It's excellent quality and you cannot beat the price. And that is my point of view.